I would like to talk with you that if you are interested in our machine, you only need to tell us 3 questions. First one, the depth of the well you will drilling, and the diameter of the well, and also the ground situation, the soil, and the rock, that we can choose the right drilling tools to improve the high efficiency, and like you make more money. This is the more important. This is over what we are drilling machine warehouse. There are about 50 tons around in this warehouse, and this is just one of warehouse for this machine. And there are also some air compressor, about 10 cents stand here. Because of the time difference, it is night in China at Beijing. I would like to introduce our factory briefly. We are a professional what we are drilling machine supplier more than 20 years. We not only produce what we are drilling machine, but also we can supply the air compressor, which is also the top Chinese brand, Kaishan and Zhigao brand. They are the top quality. And besides this warehouse, there are also other four workshops. One is for the drill pipe, and the other is the warehouse for DTH hammer and bit. And we also import a whole center equipment to produce the DTH drill pipe. In order to produce the pipe, that we can save the cost, and we can supply a better price for you, for our customers. Now I would like to introduce our main market. Our main market is African countries and South American countries, such as Peru, Chile, and other countries. All of our machines are fully hydraulic control. And about the drilling machine color, there are 2 color is very attractive. The first one is the yellow. You can see most of them are yellow color, and the other is the blue. It's a blue color. I like both of colors. They are attractive. If you are from Pakistan country, and you can find this color very easily, because we sell about 100 sons our machines to Pakistan. And this year we update some of our models. We produce all kinds of drilling machines. No, this one maybe just 118 meters depth, and others is 200 depths, 300 depths, 350 meter depth. And our diameter of the well from 115 millimeter to 44 millimeters. So if you are interested our machines, please contact our custom service. They will send our catalogs to you immediately. You only need to tell us the depth and the diameter and the ground duration, or you and the job. There are eight blue color drilling machines will be shipped to our Pakistan customer. He is a big distributor in Pakistan. He ordered so much since one time. Now I would like to ask our colleague to operate our machine for you. This one is very hot sale in this year. Now I would like to introduce this one clearly. First of all, this part, there are about the corolla, there are two kinds of raw materials. One is the rubber and the other is steel. Of course, everyone has its advantage and disadvantage. The rubber raw material, which is cheap, but it's not durable. The steel crawler, it can work every complex underground. Of course, this one is expensive. There are 4 motors on this machine. This is just one. The working motor. On the other side, there is another one. There is the other working motor, which used to make the working machine more. And this is the seat, and another one is here. Blue one. On this side, there is rotary motor, and other side, this is another motor, rotary motor, which works for the rotary system. This one is whole hydraulic control. You can see here, and all the pipes. It seems like our blood pipe. This is very a small part in our machine, but I think it's very useful. It is useful for if we can't find some place to put the drilling tools, such as DTH hammer and bit, we can put it here, and the other kinds of drilling tools to maintain this worthwhile drilling machine, we can put it here. And about the legs, there are 4 legs on this machine. About these legs, we can also assemble a very single rig on this side, which was also used for put in to carry the DTH hammer. If you are interested to put it here, we can supply it freely for you. I think this is very important part of our machine. This part is called rotary part, rotary system. if you want to take or carry this machine from one place to another place, the total let will be 1.35 will rating about 1.35 meters height. And I think it is very normal. It's a very normal size, which is easy carried by the truck. If you are interested in our machine, I can show you all the specifications of this machine. The specifications, the weight about 6 tons, and the hole diameter from 114 to 254 millimeter. This machine, and the drilling depth is 118 meters depth. One time advance length is 3.3 meters. The working speed is 2.5 kilometers per hour. This is just the drilling machine. I think we also need to consider about the air compressor. This one uses the air compressor from 17 to 31. The drill pipe diameter is 76 millimeters or 89 millimeters. And the one advanced length is 3 meters. This is there is also the drilling tool, which is used for carrying the heavy drilling tools such as TDS-The. If we can't carry it, if our employees can't carry it easily, we will ask this one to lift it to assemble the drill pipe piece by piece. And I think if you are an experienced driller, you should maybe you also consider about the rotary speed. The rotary speed and the rotary torque. This is just one of our machine, one mode of machine. We, as you know, our product line is very wide, from 200 meter steps and 300 meter steps. This is 400 meter steps, which was shipped to Pakistan. This is, of course, the depth is deeper. So the key parts is different from the normal one. Of course, it is expensive. Just from the wise of the slide device, and there is also a lander beside the slide device. The total weight is also different. This one is about 8 pounds. I would like to share some some of the details of the drilling of the parts. This is the table. Compared to this one and this one, difference, I think the most difference is the width of the slide device. This is wider, so the price is different. I'm sorry that the light, it is not as China, so the light is not very good. But we just want to catch your time. Now, let me show the control handles around the control panel. This is the pressure adjustment, and this one is speed adjustment. This one clockwise fast rotary, counterclockwise. This one is the fast lifting and loading, fast propulsion. And the first one was the push, unloading the pipe, unloading the road, and the back pull. This handle is used for up, used for the winch, up and down. This handle was used for the mast. Erect, I think is used for the full length of our machine. And lay down. This handle is used for lifting, unloading, lifting, propulsion. This one is used for rotary, like this and this. We call it counterclockwise and clockwise. There are also some other huge. This is the air pressure, and this is oil pump pressure, and this is also oil pump pressure, different types. And this is the key used for start. And this is the lighting, and this is switch off. This is the seat for the driller. If you are tired, please sit here, or you can also sit here to cooperate with the machine. And the seat, there are about 6 handles. If the driver or operator sit here, his left hand can control the handle to up, to down, up, down, and used for right front supporting leg. This one is worked for left front supporting leg. This one, of course, you know there are 4 legs on our machine. This one was left back supporting leg, down up, right back supporting leg. And the last 2 handles, extension, feed cylinder, and retraction. This one is extension, feed cylinder, and retraction. This one is a small design for our machine. It used for the battery to charge the battery, and also there is another function of our this small part, it is the winding. If you need to winding the pipes, if you want to winding the pipes on the ground, this one will help you. And this is the air filter in our machine, which worked for the engine. And the inside of the yellow room, it is the heart. As you know, it is the heart of this machine, the gain pump and the engine. The heart is very important for our machine. So we choose the part. This important part carefully. We only cooperate with the top brand, such as Cummins brand. This is American brand, and another is Chinese brand, Yuchan Yunlei brand. It is top quality in Chinese market. But every brand has its advantage and disadvantage. If you choose the Cummins brand, you can find if there is something wrong with the engine. You can find you can fix up the engine easily. Easily all over the world. Of course, it is the engine is expensive. If you choose the Chinese brand, the price will down. But I think the quality, there is no problem about the Chinese brand engine. Okay, let our colleague to show how to operate our machine. We would like to choose this one, which was shifted to next month.
小燕儿，你待会儿离远点说话，离远点说话。 就从那边过来的。
Thanks for all polygons. We finished one of our hot cell video. Now he will cooperate. He will operate this one. The model is 118. over operator. He has more than 10 years drilling experience, and he beginning to sell this machine 10 years ago. Now, welcome to the new customers. Let me introduce our machine again. First of all, let me introduce our company. This is more important. We are the biggest factory, water well drilling machine factory in Chinese market. We have more than 20 years professional experience the water well drilling machine. We not only we would like to supply a whole solution for you. As you know, there are more than there are two main machines in the water well drilling field. Water well drilling machine and the air compressor. Now let me introduce the water well drilling machine first, and our partner will introduce the air compressor later. Please follow me. This the color, this the yellow one is very attractive all over the world. I don't know you like it or not, but most of our customers like this. If you are from Pakistan, you can, and you are in this water well drilling field, you can find our machine everywhere. This charming color, yellow. And we sell about 100 science drilling machines to Pakistan every year. There are around this control panel. There are more than 10 handles here. The above part, the oil pump pressure. There are 3 oil pump pressure. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and this is the starter. This of course this is the key of our machine, and this one is used for lighting. This one used for switching off, and this is air pressure gauge. You can read some key data from this part. And around the below part, there are four handles. This one is worked for unloading road. Of course, so it is used for drill pipe or drill road. The function is unloading, push, and back pull. This one is used for the winch, the drilling tools. If we can't carry the very heavy drilling tools, DTH hammer and DTH bit, drill pipe, we can ask this part to help us to carry it from one place to another place. If we are human, we can't carry such heavy drilling tools. This handle controls the drilling tools, the lighting tools. And this one is the mask. Control the mask, erect and lay down. The slide device. Now it is lying down. This station. And this one is unloading, lifting, and propulsion. And this one is the propulsion pressure adjustment here. This is the propulsion speed adjustment. And this one is there are 2 handles. This is the control the fast rotary rotation, counterclockwise, clockwise. This one is the unloading, fast lifting, and fast propulsion. this handle, and this handle is the its function is rotation, counterclockwise and clockwise. There are also some handles below the seat. If you are tired, please sit here to control to operate this machine. Most of the handles is function supporting the length. Every different handle control different length, such as this one, left front supporting length, up and down. This one is control the right front supporting length. This one, left bank supporting length. This is used for feed cylinder extension and retraction, and this is also used for feed cylinder extension and retraction. And behind in this small room, this this is the key part of our machine, the gear pump and gear. I think it is the heart, such like human. It is we have the heart, and the engine and the gear pump is the heart of what we are building machine. About the engine, there are two top bread you can choose. One is the Chinese top bread. We call it Yuchai bread. The quality is the top one in Chinese market. This market advantage is very cheap. And other bread is Cummins bread, which is American bread. You can, if there is something wrong with the idea, you can find the maintenance center all over the world. But its disadvantage is expensive. So you can choose everyone you like. There are three handles here. And this machine is fully hydraulic control. This is the hydraulic oil pipe around everywhere. Now I would like to introduce the corolla. There are two different rotaries. One is rubber raw material, and the other is steel raw material. Every material has its advantage and disadvantage. If you choose the rubber raw material, the price is cheap, but we should take care about it. It should avoid the sunshine. And if you choose the steel raw material, of course it is expensive, and thus our machine can work every complex ground situation. It can work easily. So we recommend this style if your budget is enough, if you have enough money. And around here, this is also I think it is a very important design. This is used for charge the battery if we are also very far from the city and the battery is very low. We can ask this one to help us to charge the battery. And there is another function of this part for winding. As you know, sometimes the drill pipes is very long, and we should want them together to make it longer. This one will help us. About this part, this is the hydraulic oil tank, which is the blood such as our body. And there is another small design about our machine. This one was used for to put a container. I think it is a container to put some drilling tools, DTH hammer, DTH bit, and the small connectors. Put it here, thus you can carry them easily. I think this part is very important part, rotary system. There are two rotary motors. Left there is one, the other side there is another one, which used for to make the drill pipe rotary. And there are four motors on our machine. This is just in the slide device and worked for rotary system. There is another motor here. It's assembled here. We call it working motor. This motor will make our machine work. We only cooperate about the motor. We only choose the top brand, not only the Chinese market, but also from the American brand, such as Italy and America. You can choose every brand you like. So the machine cost is different. This is the game part, connects the idea and the heart of the click system. This is just only one hot cell of our machine. There are about 40 science drilling machines in this warehouse. Our Pakistan customer ordered 10. He is a big distributor. He ordered 10 cents one time. So this one blue color will be shipped to Pakistan next month. Okay, I have finished our drilling machine introduced. If you have any questions about our machine, please contact our sales service. You only tell us 3 key important parts: the depth of the well, the diameter of the well, and the ground situation, soil, rock. We only want to our products to bring high efficiency for you, to bring it will make money for you. So we will choose the right. We will also choose the right drilling tools for you. Now let our partner to introduce another key machine, air compressor. Welcome.